Hello everyone, this is video number 8 and here we are going to discuss about how to delete an element from a list in Python. There are three functions to delete elements from a list. They are remove, pop and del functions. Now let's learn about deleting an element from a list. Deleting an element from list. For this we can use three functions. They are remove, pop and del. Let's learn about these three functions now. Let's print our list first. So this is my list. If we want to remove anything from here, let's say number 4, element 4. So write list dot remove and just type the element that we need to remove. I said that I want to remove the element number 4. So let's print our list. Now my 4 has been removed. Let's remove another one. List dot remove. I want to remove this 8 and 9 sub list. So I print here. My sub list also has been removed. So that is remove function. So what is pop function? In pop function, we have to mention the index of the element that we need to remove. Let's say I want to remove the element 99. The index of 99 is equal to 1. So I have to write list dot pop and here I mentioned index, not the element. So index 1 is 99. So let's print our list. You see 99 also has been removed. Other function is delete function. In delete function, del list and here you have to give the index of the element. Let's say I want to remove 110 here. So index related to 110 is 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. So I have to write 2 here, same as pop function. Let's print our list. You see 110 has been removed. So these are very simple 3 functions to remove elements from a list. So that's all for today. You also can try these functions with your own list. Thank you.